pushback is happening on two fronts. One, the people who are residing within the state of Assam and under Immigrant Expulsion Act, now we are empowered to push back any foreigner who is coming post 1971. So by utilizing that power, we are pushing back people, those who are inside Assam, as well as those who are coming now. So pushback is happening on two fronts. Fresh immigrants as well as people who are living in Assam post 1971. গতিকে এতিয়ালৈকে আমি যোৱা কালিও খুব সম্ভৱ 26 জন আমি পঠাইছো so process is on and pushback will keep on এটো আমি বঢ়াই গৈ থাকিম